Okay, this is a tutorial on adding a profile picture to your Worthy profile, and also how to resize images so that they can be used on your Worthy profile. First thing we're going to do is we're logged in. We're going to click our arrow, and we're going to hit My Profile. Now, right over here on the left, if you hover over, you're going to see a little button that pops up that says Change. That's what you want to click. We're going to either choose a file or we can enter a custom URL. I'm going to try to choose a file. And I would like to use some paint splatters. Okay, we are getting the error. The selected file is too large. Max 100 kilobytes. That means the maximum size photo you can use is 100 kilobytes. Okay, so let's go ahead and click Done. And let's resolve to resize. So we are going to go to pickresize.com. Alright, we are here able to resize our picture that we want to use. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to hit Browse. And we are going to find that picture that we're trying to use as our profile picture that we can't unless we resize it to less than 100 kilobytes. Secondly, we want to click down here where it says Quick Resize. Now you can choose pixel width, height. A profile picture for Worthy needs to be at least 200 by 200 pixels, but our goal is to make it less than 100 kilobytes. So we're going to type in 100 here, and we want to leave it as a JPG simply because that is an easily quick loading image. Then we click I'm done, quick resize my picture. And this is going to upload, and we see that the picture is now 92 kilobytes. So we can save it to disk right here. And if we right click and we hit, and this will be most browsers, but not all, we will save link as. It will give you an option of where to save it. I'm going to save it in this folder, and I'm going to call it Resized Art Bubbles Profile. Whatever name, you want to easily find it later. So we're going to hit save. And it's going to download and save it. Now we can go back to our profile. Again, we're going to see this change button for our avatar. We can hit choose file. And we can upload. We can find the resized. We find the right folder where it's saved. Would go a long way in helping out. There it is. Resized Art Bubbles Profile. Now we see that we can use this. And it's going to be not giving us an error. So we have successfully changed our profile picture. All we need to do now is hit Done. And there is our new profile picture, up and ready to go. Now, you can also do an image that way, using the image URL. You would simply go to tinypic.com is what you want to go to. And this is going to allow you to also get the URL directly for your, when I did the tutorials on adding pictures to your About Me page, this will allow you to get an image URL to directly use it for that or to use it in your forum post. This is tinypic.com. It's what I recommend. You hit choose file. Now we're going to find that same file that we just resized because remember it needs to be less than 100K so that it can load fast on all browsers and slower internet connections. Then we're going to hit upload now. It will take you through a spam filter. Sometimes, and sometimes it won't. Now it's going to come up and you're going to have 4 options. The option you want to choose, if you're using this on a profile as the image URL, or you're using it in your About Me page where it asks for the image URL, you're going to choose this one. And this is a permanently hosted picture. It doesn't reveal your identity. It doesn't reveal an IP address. It doesn't reveal anything. Now, it does show my last uploads down here simply because I have an account with them. So, but signing up is optional. Okay, so that is how image resizing works, as well as finding a spot to permanently host your image and how to change your profile picture. So we got 3 things done in a tutorial, which is great. As always, if you have any questions or I can help, please do not hesitate to ask. I go by the name of Hawkeye in the chat room. And do remember that you must obey and follow all copyright laws pertaining to any images that you use.